Multiple stores with year-round products for the entire family. All links are down below. In a world driven by progress and achievements, there's a vital force that often goes unrecognized. Men. They play an indispensable role in the productivity and overall well-being of human civilization. So today, let's celebrate the significance of men and the positive impact they bring to our lives. Men are the driving force behind countless industries innovating and creating solutions that propel us forward. Their dedication and hard work have shaped our modern world, from engineering marvels to groundbreaking discoveries. Beyond the realm of work, men fulfill crucial roles in families. They provide love, support, and guidance. Their presence helps foster strong and harmonious relationships, creating a foundation for the well-being and happiness of those around them. Men actively participate in their communities, lending a helping hand and making a difference. Through acts of kindness and service, they inspire and uplift, fostering a sense of unity and progress. Today, we celebrate the strength, resilience, and compassion of men and their unwavering commitment to build a better world. Let's recognize their contributions, big and small, that shape the very fabric of our society. Because when we celebrate men and their role in productivity and overall well-being, we embrace the power of unity, progress, and a brighter future for all. Future is now, and the next generations are always watching.
Who write a couple lines on what black is, really? Then they look at me as sin. When a brother just spits what's within. I guess I'm blacker than the shadow in the darkest alley that they're always scared to go in through. I want boots and beads, bags and braids, stick and scroll, wigs and shades. Walk in the light of the moon, but I never been a Batman. African, call it black man. Brother, extract the African sex to movement. Enhance for improvement. Brand funk, I knew a home for the praise. Funk and lesson the pathway.